What's up, you guys? Today we are gonna talk about how to get high ticket clients on LinkedIn fast. And if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified about upcoming videos that will bring tons of value to your life. So let's get right into it. Let's jump into it. So when you open up your LinkedIn, you want to first optimize your profile. All right. So you want to put a tagline with what are you doing. So I have here, I help people to become highly paid consultants, right? And you want to put a nice picture of you smiling because people connect with other humans, and when you're smiling, it works much better. And then you want to also add some content that that people in your niche can find value in, that can find valuable. And you want to also add your skills and endorsements, so you add social proof to your skill that you actually know what you're doing. And when you have your LinkedIn profile optimized, then you want to start networking with people. All right. And so guys, now let me know below in the comments before we start into it, what's your method of trying to get clients and how did it work for you? Let me know below in the comments. I will reply to everyone and let you know if this method is effective. So let's say you want to go after real estate agents, right? So you put keyword real estate agent here. And then you put people, and then you want to put location, so let's say United States, and then you have all these real estate agents, right? And you will start to connect with them. You will I would connect. If my niche was real estate agent, I would connect with all of these people. And then when they accept the connection, you want to start reaching out to them. So you have to wait till the connection is made, because otherwise with some of them you will not be able to chat, right? So, but you can add 40 to 50 people a day, and then when the connection is made, the next day or day afterwards, you want to start messaging to all of them. So let's take a look at some example. And right, so if let's say Brenton was a real estate agent, and if I want to get in touch with him to take so he pay attention to me, I would say, hey Brenton, I have created a free audit of your social media and website, of your social media, that can help you 10x your business, right? Would you like me to send it over? Thanks, Maria. And even though I haven't created any audit for Brenton yet, you can search, because most, like 50% of people will not reply to you. And what most people do, they create all these audits for everybody, and they even for people who they never get to talk to. And so that's you just waste time, right? You want to create this audit actually only for people who reply to you, right? Because it will take you like 1-2 hours to create this audit, and so you just do it only for people who are actually interested in it. And this is how you do it. Let's say you want to go after dentists, right? Dentist, I'll discard this. And again, you have to put people, and you have to put your location. So let's say in Australia, right? And you apply. When you are just starting out, you should focus. You may want to start in the location where you are in Australia, United States. But of course, if you are somewhere in Africa, where in Nigeria, where the economy is really not that developed, then you want to maybe start internationally right away. But when you are in Australia, United States, you may want to start there because people prefer to do business with people from the same country usually. So you see Sean here, dentist from Melbourne, Australia. If I'm in dentist niche, again, I would connect with all these people and I will start networking with them. When they accept the connection and try to offer value. Okay, many of these dentists will not have a face. You can check their experience here, and so you want to find dentists that actually has their own office, their own clinic. They are not, and then you want to try to find the website. So here is the website, and you want to offer them value. Again, you can do this. I created free audit for you that can drastically improve your marketing and get you more clients. You can check. This is a Chrome extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. This is a powerful Chrome extension. You can install it, and what it does is it checks like if the website has Facebook Pixel installed. So when I come to this website of that dentist, I can check it. I can click it, and it will tell me that this website actually doesn't have a pixel installed. And what it tells me is that the Sean here is not retargeting people because he doesn't have his Facebook pixel installed, so he cannot retarget all these people that come to the website, which is he is leaving lots of money on the table. And yeah, and you also want to when you start adding those people as the connections, you want to start networking with them when they add some videos or some picture in here in the LinkedIn newsfeed. You want to comment on that, right? And you want to like it, comment it. You want to do everything possible so they pay attention. So you create relationships with these people. I want to like these things, right? And comment on that. If you can offer some value. And so this is how you do it, guys. If you find it valuable, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And now you can click this playlist that's right here. There are other videos that will help you to get clients via Facebook, or you can learn how to close client just with one phone call, sell your services, and all kinds of valuable things that will help you to skyrocket your business and become an absolute beast in the market. So just click it, and I will see you on another video.